ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। Hello everyone. Today we are writing OS to the eMMC on a Pi 2. So if you want to know how to flash firmware or here, so I have another video on my channel, so check it that. So in this video we are write the here on eMMC the system. So this is the method we are using on a we are write image system image to eMMC from micro SD card. So we already ready a micro SD card, flash it, every printer config, all this stuff is there. So we just copy the stuff there. So first thing first, you need to do turn off this switch here, and so you can the Pi read the eMMC memory. So next you need to install go to a terminal and copy paste these commands. So you need to remove this yellow sticker and switch this. So I switch this. Now we are ready to connect it to the power and go to a terminal. Need to go to this way to off, and mine one is already on the other side, so I think I switch it. So I check it again. I turn this. This is to this one, this side. I don't know why it comes like this, but yeah. So you need to check this to the orientation. So it's like this. So switch goes to this way here on this number here. So one side. So you need to do this. Now I connect with the power. I already attach add Wi-Fi password stuff on the boot system file. Now need to go to a terminal. So if you don't know, so check it. So your stuff is on, your interface is there, then it's confirmed your machine is running. Sorry, Pi is running up. Log into terminal and password is like what you set it or what if it's default. Now you need to copy this command and paste into the terminal. And press enter, type your password, wait, then go to a second option like this said, go to a second option, boot from eMMC. Okay, boot from eMMC, make sure, so use a space bar or press enter. Then second, yeah, press yes. So now press yes. Now they said partition type ext4, so it's one ext4, press OK. Now they said okay, it's waiting, counting files, few seconds, waiting. It's copy your all the image from your SD card to your eMMC. Now it said it's done, all done, power off. So press enter and wait. Now it's power off. It said power off, remove the power and remove the SD card and turn it on. Now remove the power, remove the SD card, attach the power again and wait. After removing SD card, turn on the power up, wait for a few seconds. So it's up now, it's working, and my all data is there, my all the files is there. This is running and no SD card. Everything is on the eMMC chip now. So this is how you can write your system image from SD card to the eMMC. So first flash it. I have another video. Check it. Flash your stuff. Add your Wi-Fi password there, and insert it and make some your file stuff and then write it here. There is all other method is there, so you can like directly uh, flash eMMC on a eMMC on this Pi 2 with the some OTG software USB stuff from PC. Yeah, I also cover that video too. So this is how you can write from a SD card. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I make a next video to how to erase it or flash it with the computer.